They call it the land of long hair, Huanglo village in China, where the Yao women are known for their unbelievably long, shiny black hair that stays beautiful and strong even when they're old, like 70 or 80. People from all over the world wonder, how is that possible? Some say it's because of the river water that flows through their village. It's full of natural minerals that make their hair so healthy, while others believe it's genetics. But the Yao women themselves say their real secret is something very simple. Rice, yes. The same rice we cook every day. They make something called fermented rice water, which has been their hair care ritual for centuries. They take 1 cup of rice, rinse it nicely, and then soak it in 2 or 3 cups of water for about half an hour. After that, they pour that water into a jar and let it sit for about 24 hours to ferment. That's when the magic starts. The rice releases amino acids, vitamins, and minerals that feed your scalp and make your hair strong, soft, and shiny. But here's the important part. If you leave it too long, like 2 or 3 days, it will smell so bad that you won't even be able to put it near your head. And yes, many people make this mistake thinking longer means better, but no, that sour smell means it's spoiled. The Yao women use it only when it's slightly sour. Some women also add herbs, tea leaves, or orange peel to it before fermentation to make it smell nice and even more powerful. When they use it, they don't just pour it and rinse. They massage it deeply into their scalp, wash it in the river, and let it sit for a few minutes before rinsing. That's why their hair grows long, shiny, and never turns white even as they age. But that's not all. They also make a kind of rice soap that works like a natural shampoo. They mix fermented rice water with rice bran, orange peel, and sometimes tea leaves. Then boil it until it turns thick and creamy. This becomes a natural soap that cleans the scalp, removes dirt, and adds shine without any chemicals. Some even dry this paste to make solid shampoo bars that last for weeks. Isn't that amazing? And when you look at their hair, so dark, smooth, and full of life, you can see that it really works. So maybe it's the river, maybe it's their genetics, or maybe it's this ancient rice secret. But one thing is clear. Nature truly holds the most powerful beauty secrets. So if you ever make rice at home, don't throw that water away. Try this Yao woman method, and who knows? Maybe your hair will start shining just like theirs. And if you love these natural beauty secrets from around the world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Magic Peach, because next time we're unlocking another hidden secret that could change your beauty routine forever.